Good morning. Hello, good to see you. So, Thursday, and as usual, we are starting our lesson at 10:30. We are starting our lesson with the spelling test. So, please be ready. Remember to revise the words, okay? And after, we will discuss the call very briefly. So, don't worry. I would like to remind you that if it's possible, I would like you to have a cookie, a chocolate cookie for the lesson on Friday and a toothpick. Okay, that's what will be needed for Friday lesson. And if we talk about Friday, weekend, and so on, some of you might go for a walk to the forest or just simply to your garden. So, if it's possible for the next lesson, not for the next one like on Friday, but after that May break we have, so it's Thursday, next Thursday actually, so in a week, I would like you, if it's possible, try to collect some plant leaves, some fern, twigs, sand. Okay, it might be useful for the lesson on Thursday, 28th of May. If you are not able to collect that stuff, don't worry. They will be needed for the experiment. However, I'm having all the needed things, and I'm going to show you the experiment, and the stuff we will observe will be placed in my house, so I will show you the results on Zoom as well. Okay, so if you don't have it, don't worry. If you want to have the experiment, like experience it in your house as well, just collect plant leaves, fern, twigs, and some sand. You will also need a container, but I bet you've got a plastic container at home. Okay, so those things. And now about the task. So we start with maths. Today I would like you to write in your maths notebooks the topic, which is symmetry. And I would like you to revise that that's the line that divides something exactly in half. When one half of a shape or picture matches the other exactly. Okay? And we say that it's symmetrical. That's the shape which is symmetrical, and this one, as you can see, the halves are not exactly the same, so this shape is asymmetric. So after that, there is a worksheet to be completed about symmetry, and for the task, you will need the printer. If you don't have a printer, which is rather like normal, but you don't need to have it, I would like you to ask your parents for help, okay? Because the worksheet is to complete symmetrical shape, so you need to draw the other half. You've got the shapes here, and you draw exactly the same shapes on the other half. If you don't have a printer in your maths notebooks, I would like you to ask your parents to draw the halves for you. So just copy the pictures, at least 4. There are 6, but without the printer, let's make it a bit easier, and then you can copy 4 pictures. Like your parents copy half of the picture, and then you draw the other half. Okay, so for this task, you will need your parents' help, or older brother or older sister. When you complete the worksheet, there are some online games to practice. So this one is the obligatory one. In this one, you need to find the lines of symmetry, okay? In the first part, you need to click the correct line and so on. And then you will have other tasks connected with the lines of symmetry as well. And the volunteers, there are 2 more. This one is about question. Yeah, so there are some questions concerning each shape. So shape, the first shape. Shape 9, that's the shape. Has no lines of symmetry, both vertical and horizontal lines of symmetry, a horizontal line of symmetry, or vertical. Here are some tips in that horizontal and vertical. So number 9 got yay. Number 9 got vertical line of symmetry. Congratulations to you and to you. And you can also become a symmetry artist. So another activity in which you measure the shape and automatically the other half will be completed by the computer. And here you can see the line of symmetry. You can actually rotate your shape like with 4 symmetries, 4 lines of symmetries into 4 parts or even 8. Okay? So you can become an artist, create your own shape, and the lines of symmetry will be done by the computer. Okay? So the symmetrical pictures will be done by the computer. And that's it for math. Today's Thursday, so as usual, Miss Catherine is uploading the books on Batlab. So your task is to read at least one book today using Batlab. And as it's about English, spelling list for the next week. So Quizlet, and you can copy the words to your English notebook. Unit of inquiry, call formation. So today we are going to talk about the call. So I want you to watch the video on YouTube and then read the text from the PowerPoint presentation about the call. Okay, here's some pictures. After that, there is one task to be completed. The task is uploaded to your folders. So in each of you is having that task in the folder as it might be completed online. Okay? So 2 options again, either print it out or complete it on your computer and then upload the saved copy to your folder. How call was formed? So that's actually what will be checked. Your understanding will be checked after watching the video and reading the PowerPoint presentation. So the text, the call is that out of the ground. So you cut it and then you just place it. Which step you think it is? When you dig out the call, the last one. So we've got step 5 and the picture matching that description. Yeah. So you move it out the top and paste. After completing the whole process, the whole 5 steps, save it and upload it on Google Drive into your folder or just simply send me the photo. And for the volunteers, you may have a virtual trip to the coal mine. To put that into perspective, the link is also published on in the plan, so you can take a virtual trip. And that's it for today. See you at 10:30. Be ready for the spelling test.